make sure you are going to apply its I'm gonna wipe it off. It's just a second. Because sometimes my hands get the oil, and then when you get the oils, your gels will not going to stick on. So alright, so we are gonna do first is give it a little bit of wiggles. Like, you don't have to do it perfect at all, just however you like. Alright, one coat. And the Lunar New Year's this year, I think, is fall right into like a February 1st. So every year is based on a lunar calendar. So I'm go ahead and do this one. So the other one I do with diagnose, and the second one I am go ahead and draw it look like I am drawing a French. And you can do what you can do chevron, you can do however you would like. It's just the idea and the concept, and then you can rock it however way you want. And I'm not worried about if it's not perfect, because I am going to add some cute like illuminating light in there. So then that way is make it looks fun. It's like a little go hint for the new year. All right, I think I got it covered. If not, then all right, clear this one as well. 30 seconds. Okay. So every single order will get the red envelope. It's so excited. And this is the ours second year or third year we're doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foil that I'm using, like a red checker. I love that it's had the hint of like a foil, and like have a holo foil, holo silver. It's perfect. All right, look at that, how cool it is. I know, where is that at? But by the way, it's perfect. And this one we are going to see, add this one. We're gonna add this one as well. This one is key, right?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Give a good rub. Awesome. Well, I don't need this, but I'm gonna clean it off really quick.
What is something with it?
Just using a little alcohol and on the brush, and then just remove it, because that's the reason I'm talking about, like, I put the top coat on, so then that way it will get off, it will not stick on this one. Okay,
It's okay, you can just lay some crystal.
but you know what, no, I'm gonna put crystal on it, so it doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here's a look of this too first. With the foil. You know, you call this as a bonus.